Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. Welcome back. Today I will be working on my Easter wreath and I hope that you will join me. Okay, let me show you what we're using today. Of course we'll have our well-loved wreath here, and then I have a ranunculus floral pick, and I do have the tags here, but they do not say what the name of the flower is. So I have the ranunculus. I also have these little berry picks. They're little fuzzy berry picks. They look like that. Okay, and then also this one here. And then these kind of look like carnations. And of course I trimmed everything down already, so I'll be ready here. And then I have these pearl green picks with the little bunnies. Look at that. Cute. And then I have some Easter egg picks. These came from Walmart. I have the darker shade here and then a lighter one. So that's what I'm using today. And let's begin. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start with the larger flowers. Let me see, about maybe right here. And then that right there. Okay, and then let's see, tuck that there. Tuck a little one here. And I'll wait on the buds. Okay, next, let's do the carnations. About there. Maybe here. Switch these one out. There we go. Maybe not. It's all about fiddling with your flowers. Okay, let's try this one here. Okay. And do a little grouping here. Okay. All right. Okay, next we're going to do the fuzzy picks. Let's see. Okay, tuck a longer one there. And tuck one on this side. And let's see, maybe one in here. And then let's tuck one there. Oh, let me move this carnation. That one's not going to work out. There we go. Put that back in the front. And let's see, maybe here. Nope, not that one. Let's see. Sorry. Maybe here. Okay, and one more. Let's tuck that one. Maybe there. Well, now put it up here. Okay, and then let's see. I made my pearl berries here. Let's see. I got the larger one here. I'm going to tuck that one up here. Go. And let's see. Tuck one here. Let me squish that one around. Go. And down here. And maybe in here. And let me put the other one on this side here. Okay, now I need the little buds. Yeah, put that there. Oops. Okay, it doesn't want to go. How about there? And that one can go there. Let's see. I'll tuck that one further up there. And I have a loose leaf here. Let me tuck it between these grapevine wreath or the twigs there. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, next we're gonna do the eggs. Let me tuck one here. Here. Oh. That looks good. Let me be here. And then tuck some over here. I might, hold on, let me do a little rearranging here. Oh, my little picks are falling apart. Okay, so if this happens to you, I have some floral tape here, which is brown. You can get it from any craft store. Go ahead and reattach your floral piece that fell off, and then go ahead and wrap it and tug on your tape, and then go ahead and spiral down the stem there. And if you have access, you can just trim it off or just finish wrapping it, whichever one. Tuck that back in here. Oh, looks good. I like it. That looks good. I like it. Let me see what it looks like on the wall here. Okay, so here is the wreath hanging up. I did a little tweaking. Once I hung it up, I could tell my rose, one of the roses were a little too low. So I went ahead and raised it, and I repositioned the eggs. I think it looks a little better now. A little bit, it's better proportion now, I think. And I am happy with the results. So that's how, typically how floral arranging goes. Something doesn't, you know, look right in one spot, you move the flower to another, and so forth until you get what you want and what you're happy with. So, okay, now I want to add a couple of things and see what you guys think. I I have this bunny here that I found at Dollar Tree. If I decide to put it in there, that is. So that's what it looks like with the bunny. And then I also have the blue truck here. I'm gonna switch these out. This is actually a hanging sign, but I took it apart. So I only have the truck itself. Took the little sign off. So if I put that one in there, that's what that would look like. Cute, huh? All right, let's see. If I add a bow, which I have found some of these ribbons at the Dollar Tree also. Let's see, instead of 3 eggs on the side and I tuck a bow in here, that's what that would look like. Okay, I'll take that back off. I like the simplicity of this look right here. I think it works really well with me. And I really like it. All right, well, I thank you for stopping by. Again, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. And I will see you next time.